you're able to own businesses without running the business. Isn't that amazing? Hi buddy, throughout the years, many people have asked me whether real estate or stock investing is a better choice. Some people love the comfort of getting passive income from the stock market, and some people love the certainty from the real estate. So in this video, I will share with you the pros and cons of both vehicles, adding my real life experience as well, so that at the end of this video, you will know that which one is more suitable for you. All of us are investors here. So let's look at the historical return on investment of both vehicles. Regarding S&P 500, which represents the overall stock market, has an annualized return of 9% per year. And regarding the US real estate market return, it is around 5.5% annualized return per year. Do not jump into conclusion to say that stock investing is a better instrument. We have to take note that for real estate, we have this thing called leverage, and leverage can enable real estate investors to amplify their returns. I have also included stocks and real estate returns in regions such as Singapore and Hong Kong for your reference. Let's talk about real estate. One of the pros is that real estate is a tangible asset. It is funny that in human psychology, having a tangible asset gives people much more sense of security. Because tangible asset is something that we can see, we can touch, and we can smell. But I smell nothing. The second pros is that real estate investors actually have control over the property. You can renovate or adjust in a way to increase the value of the real estate. The third pros is that if you invest in a good and solid real estate, you can rent out almost immediately and collect rental income. The fourth, which is my favorite, is called leverage. Investing in a real estate that is worth 500,000, you don't need to come out with 500,000 cash. You only need to fork out maybe 25% of it, which is 125,000 cash. The rest of it can be loaned from the bank. The loan amount and availability depends on which region you are investing in. However, just by taking loans to invest in a real estate, your real rate of returns actually amplify significantly. However, there are also cons in investing in real estate. It has higher barrier of entry compared to stock market. Typically, you need around 100,000 as starting capital to invest in a real estate. It also requires higher transaction costs like lawyer fee, agent fee, and stamp duty as well. Not forgetting that real estate investing have much more lower liquidity. If you are thinking of selling or in need of cash, it takes around 1 to 3 months to process all your paperwork. Last but not least, investing in real estate requires much more time and effort in it. So for example, for me myself, I take months of viewing units after units before I found a real estate that satisfies all my investment criteria. Even after your purchase, you have to take note of maintenance and your tenants. For example, the ceiling is leaking, the light is spoiled, or even some late payment from your tenants. You just need to prepare for it. Let's go to stock investing. One pros is that stock investing potentially have much higher return compared to real estate investing. You have to understand that every single stock is a real business. A business this year may make few $1,000s, next year may make millions of dollars. I'm not saying that this is guaranteed, I'm saying that this is possible, and this is something that we cannot find in real estate investing. Secondly, the barrier of entry of stock investing is very low. You can start investing as low as $100 depending on the stock price. Comparing with real estate, stock investing have much lesser hassle. You do not need to worry about tenants, maintenance, and etc. You do not need to build units after units. Instead, you can just research on business at the comfort of your home. The best thing is that as a stock investor, you are able to own businesses without running the business. Isn't that amazing? Of course, there are some of the cons you have to take note of. In stock investing, people tend to have a short-term mindset. Whenever the stock price goes up or down, people tend to do stupid things. And this is where most of the mistakes come from. However, personally, I love volatility in the stock market because only when the market is volatile, it creates massive opportunities for us to invest at a good price. And this is what we are always waiting for. This is a summary of stocks and real estate for you. For me, majority of my assets are in stock market, but I do have some real estate as well. The cool thing is that you can invest in both. The best way to understand is to start investing as early as possible. The key is to start early. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified with all our future valuable content regarding wealth creation. See you in our next video.